How to create Instagram shop account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will require a professional Instagram account instead of the normal one. So make sure that you switch your account or convert your account to professional one, and after that just go to your profile and click on the three lines at the top right hand side corner. Here you just need to scroll down, and here under the professionals you would be able to get the option of creator tools and controls. Just simply click on it. Since currently my account is on creator mode, but for Instagram shop you would require a business account. So make sure that you switch your account type to business account, and after that you would be able to get the business or the shop account, Instagram shop account on this creator tools itself. And this is how you would be able to set up your Instagram shop after you create a business account on Instagram. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.